Yes, my people, it's your boy, and I'm back. My brother, my brother, he says I need to listen to Stuck in the Sound. Let's go. Voice.
I know you would make me happy, girl. I found my way out. I found it at last. Now I'm sober. Let's go.
Let's go. It's a nice little chilled one, you know. Hey, hey. The melody with highs in it, sick. I like it. Trying to get you in the mood. Hey. Ooh. One. What's it? Ooh, the way they're playing that, like. Been back to back for hours. When we can what they say. I enjoyed that, man. It really just, it's like it flowed nicely with each other. And I think that just made it a very nice, strong point in the song. I could just play that song vibes in, play that song when I'm just chilling, play that song in any kind of mood, but it was a unique, tasteful song. It was, I don't know, listening to it, I felt like I was in a spaceship. I don't know why I got that feeling of I was in a spaceship, and that's what it gave me. But my people, we've come to the end of the video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and keep your post notifications on to see more. Peace out.